speed.
You gotta try it at least once. At least once you gotta try shooting both at the same time.
Okay.
But you put it on your side.
Yeah, like this.
Yep, just like that. And you pull both triggers at the same time. It's just for fun. Just once you gotta try it.
Okay.
Or else you'll never know what it feels like. Okay? But I don't recommend doing it any more than one time. One time and one time only.
Hopefully it's not gonna...
Stick both your fingers in there. Alright, you stick both your fingers in there like this.
Yeah.
And you just pull them both.
Want to give it back like this?
No.
Okay.
Because your hand's holding it. And you're just putting your fingertips in there. Just
Okay.
See? Just my fingertips?
Yeah.
Alright? It's okay.
Thanks.
He's pulling both triggers.
Well, we're recording. Azamat.
No.
One and two?
That was only one. It's two?
No, one.
Yeah.